Hello, welcome to Quantum Online Academy. This is your Dr. Nagaraju Pendam. In this video, we are going to discuss about one more important science and technology issue, that is from ESA, European Space Agency. European Space Agency in the year of 2014, July 24, so from to January 15th, 2025, there is a telescope was there to map the Milky Way. To map the Milky Way, that telescope is Gaia telescope. Which telescope it is? Gaia telescope. Sky scanning complete for ESA's Milky Way mapper Gaia. Milky Way mapper Gaia. What is that telescope? Why it is in the news? We have to discuss in this class. The European Space Agency shut down its space observatory mission, that is a Gaia. That space observatory mission, that is a Gaia. So, do you know what is the Gaia? Was a passivated on March 27th, 2025. It is passivated, right, March 27th, 2025, meaning it was drained of energy, won't be reboot. This telescope won't be reboot. So, the energy is drained. So, that is why the term we are using, that term we call it as a passivated. It enters its retirement orbit. So, this Gaia telescope entered into a retirement orbit around the sun after using its thrusters for the final time. By using the thruster boosters, this Gaia went to the retirement orbit. There is a retirement orbit is there. There this telescope will rotate. So, what is that mission? Gaia mission, once you have to see, it was launched in December 19th, 2013. It was launched in, when they launched December 19th. So, December 19th, 2013 it was launched. So, and was designed to create a precise 3D map of Milky Way galaxy, originally named. So, what is the Gaia? Global Astrometric Interferometer for Astrophysics. What is the Gaia? G for global, A for astrometric, I for interferometer for astrophysics. So, Global Astrometric Interferometer for Astrophysics, the mission was renamed as a Gaia. This mission renamed as a Gaia. So, it was launched in 19th December 2013 and was designed to create a precise 3D map of the Milky Way galaxy, originally named Global Astrometric Interferometer for Astrophysics Gaia. The mission was renamed Gaia. It was designed for astronomy, the science of mapping the cosmos through the precise measurement of the location and movement of the stars and other celestial bodies. So, what is their aim is, it was designed for astrometry. It was designed for astrometry. In that astrometry, the science of mapping the cosmos through precise measurement of the location and the movement of stars and other celestial bodies. So, it was positioned at the Lagrangian point 2. It was positioned at the Lagrangian point 2. That point we call it as a L2. What is the distance from the Earth? 1.5 million kilometers from the Earth. So, from the Earth, how many million kilometers are there? 1.5 million kilometers from the Earth. This is the position of the Lagrangian point L2. Lagrangian point L2 is 1.5 million kilometers from the Earth. Lagrangian points are specific locations in space where the gravitational forces of two large celestial bodies like the Earth and the Sun and the centrifugal force of the smaller objects like a satellite balance each other. The Lagrangian points are specific locations in space. The Lagrangian points are specific location in space where the gravitational forces of two large celestial bodies, large celestial body So one body earth you have to take, another body is the sun. These two attractions are there. Because of this attraction, gravitational forces of the sun and earth, one point you have to take. The another point is the centrifugal force of the smaller object balance each other. What is the centrifugal force of the satellite? This satellite is because of the centrifugal force of the these earth or sun you have to consider. So based on that, the satellite is rotating around the orbit. So these two forces are balancing. One is the centrifugal force, another force is the gravitational force. The gravitational forces between the two celestial objects and the centrifugal force of the smaller object, that is a satellite, balance each other. Because of these two forces, the Lagrangian points are identified. The specific location from earth to 1.5 million kilometers, there is a Lagrange point is there. That point we call it as a L2 point. So there we are keeping this Gaia. So this Gaia means Global Astrometric Interferometer for Astrophysics. So this is a telescope to map the Milky Way of galaxy. Who send this telescope? So European Space Agency people are sending this telescope. This telescope now, this life is dead. That means it won't be function. It is retired. It went to the retired orbit. So that's why it is in the news. So please share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Like these videos, we will upload in our YouTube channel. Listen and enjoy the science and technology topics along with our physics mother topic. So thank you so much.